Right, some people weren't happy that I didn't reveal the bike. I didn't mean to upset people. I don't know why people would get upset about that. Oh well. Take my bag. Better take my keys. Right, so Monday morning, off to work. I thought I'd do the reveal. I hope this is okay. I hope people don't get upset. It's only YouTube, really. I know I did a bit of a tease. Well, tease's over. Are you ready? There it is. Won't be needing that today. She's pretty sexy. So since I've got her, I've done full 6 carbon tail. This is going today. I've got a tail tidy arriving today, hopefully. So I can put that on tonight. Yeah, she's done about 300 kilometers, so not even a third of the way to being run in, which is because it's been pissing down with rain. I guess one of the big questions is, why did I get rid of the Aprilia? Because a few people have said that. Oh yeah, what? Just put the tail tidy on. So I'm just going to go and take a little spin, see how she looks. Let's go this way, shall we? Oh, dead end. Oh, not another dead end. You're fucking kidding me. It's like suburban hell. How do I get out of this place? Must be able to get out down here. Yeah. Well, so I just put my last bit on here that I bought, the New Rage tail tidy. Very excited. It really does tidy up that back end of the bike. You can see there. I'm actually really surprised at how much space I've got on this bike. It's a lot more comfortable than the Tuono for me. Bear in mind, I am 6'6", and the Tuono is a way smaller bike than this. I'm actually surprised at how big this is. It feels a lot higher, a lot chunkier, but then also weirdly compact. It's very strange. You have to get used to that gearbox as well. That shifter between 5 and 6 is very sensitive. Ooh, a lot of sun. Can't see. Can't see anything. Oh. Oh, the suspension on this thing is just like incredible. Just eating up those bumps. It's amazing. I was a bit skeptical about the old electronic suspension, but shit, man, it's actually really good. Smooth. Let's do a little walk around, shall we? There you go. Look at that baby. Looking pretty sexy. I love that tail tidy. Oh yeah. Very happy. Very nice. So I've done these crash protection, radiator and oil guards, mirrors, crash protection on this side, on the wheels, that puppy, and that. Oh yeah. Right. Well, so yeah, I'm very happy with the purchase, very happy with the bike, really excited about getting it all broken in, getting that first service, and then really seeing what it's all about, because I really do feel like I'm just scratching the surface right now. But it's a beautiful bike to ride. There's finished everything on it, it's just stunning. It just feels like super premium. Really want to see my reflection. Is that sad? We all do that. We do, don't we? We do.